Hi, my name is Sudarshan. Welcome to my channel EasyML. In this video, we will be focusing on regression models, which as I explained previously is a sub-branch of supervised learning. So, for every machine learning model we build from here on, we will have three important stages, namely model prerequisite, model building, and finally model evaluation. In the first stage, that is model prerequisite, I will be explaining the theoretical concepts we need to know before we build or deploy a particular model. In the second stage, that is model building, I will be explaining what are the steps and measures we need to take whilst building the model. Now, last but definitely not the least, in fact, this is one of the most important stages, that is model evaluation. Here, we will be assessing the quality of the model we have built. Now, let us move on to the first stage, that is model prerequisite. Let us now see which concepts are a prerequisite to building regression models. It is important to understand the concept of correlation before we build regression models. Now, what is correlation? Correlation can be defined as the strength of association between two numeric variables. Here on the left, I have two numeric variables, that is height and weight. And on the right, I have something called the scatter plot. This scatter plot helps visualize the strength of association between two numeric variables. Here on the x-axis or the horizontal axis of the scatter plot, I have one numeric variable which is height, and on the y-axis, the vertical axis, I have the other numeric variable which is weight. Now note that every point or dot on this scatter plot represents an observation. For instance, the observation of height 4.3 and weight 45 is just this point right here. Now, if we observe carefully, here we can see that there is an upward movement in this scatter plot. Now, what does this upward movement suggest? So, from this upward movement, we can conclude that as the weight increases, the height also seems to increase. Or it could also be interpreted the other way around. Nevertheless, there seems to be some correlation here. Now, in the next video, we will be looking at the various types of correlation. Stay tuned. Thank you.